Introducing one ingenious concept, available in a complete line of tools. Each circuit alert tool features an interchangeable snap-in sensor, ergonomically integrated into its design. Just snap the sensor into place, and you're ready to test AC voltage without contacting live wires. As a result, Circuit Alert redefines safety. These innovative, ultra-efficient multitaskers are also specially designed for the way you work. Plus durable materials and construction. Make short work of your electrical work. Circuit Alert, the ultimate in electrical tools, exclusively from Gardner Bender.